Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to find your IP address and change it in 2023. Of course, that's something essential for your online presence. So your IP address, in today's video, we will learn how to find it and explore how you can change it in 2023, of course, whether you're looking to enhance your online privacy or bypass some GEO restrictions or troubleshoot network issues. Of course, knowing how to find your IP and changes is crucial. So let's dive in and get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. And of course, before we begin, let's understand what an IP address is. An IP address is a unique numerical label assigned to each device connected to a computer network. Of course, it serves as the identifier of your device or for your device. So when it interacts with other devices on the internet, there are two types of IP address. There is the IPv4 Internet Protocol version 4 and the IPv6, which is the Internet Protocol version 6. Of course, most devices still use the IPv4 addresses, but the transition to IPv6 is happening gradually. So, how to find your IP address? So, of course, to find your IP address starts by opening a web browser on your device. As an example, in this case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser. And of course, for you, you can go and open whatever preferred browser you have or whatever browser you have in your PC. So simply go and open it up. Then search for what is my IP address. As an example, go to this URL section and type what is my IP address and hit the enter button. So just go and do that, of course, in your preferred search engine. So go to your preferred search engine. Once you open your what's preferred browser and type what's my IP address, and of course click on the top result. As you can see here, you will find your IP address. Of course, that will display your IP address information, and you'll be presented with your public IP address, which is assigned to your internet service provider or ICP, and identify, of course, your device on the internet. Of course, additionally, you can find IP address within your device network settings. As an example, you can simply go to network settings as an example. So as an example, you can go to, let's just go to settings directly. And here, of course, you can simply go to network and internet. And of course, here, and then simply click or choose this advanced network settings. And here, make sure to go, I guess, to hardware and connection properties. And as you can see here, you'll find your IPv or IPv4 address right here and the IPv6 address right here. So, of course, let's just close the settings now. The reasons, of course, let's just pass to the reasons why you should change your IP address as an example. So I show you how to find your IP address on your PC. As you can see, you can use whatever preferred browser or you can use the settings option. So now, why we would like to change your IP address? So of course, there's various reasons why you might want to change your IP address. For instance, changing your IP address can help enhance your online privacy and security by preventing others from tracking your online activities. And of course, it can also be useful for accessing geo-restricted content or bypassing network restrictions imposed by certain websites or services. And of course, additionally, changing your IP address can help like troubleshoot network connecting or connectivity issues in some cases. So now let me just give you some methods to change your IP address. So there are different methods to change your IP address depending on your specific requirements. One common method, of course, is to contact or to contact your internet service provider or ACP and request a new IP address. Of course, ICPs can assign you a different IP address upon request. Alternatively, as an alternative solution, you can try resetting your modem or router, which modem or router, so which can sometimes result in a new IP address being assigned. Of course, another option is to use a viral private network, which is known as VPN service. Of course, that will allow you to mask your IP address and connect through servers in different locations. Of course, using a VIP to change your IP address. So if you choose, as an example, to use the VIP, or as we said, the virtual private network, it's important to select a reputable VIP service provider. So sign up for a VIP service and download and install their client software on your device and connect to one of their service location. Of course, this will assign you to a new IP address from the VPN server, effectively changing your online identity and location. And of course, remember to choose a server location that suits your needs. Whether you are or it's for accessing a geo restricted content or maintaining your online privacy. And of course, you can even verify your IP address change. So after changing your IP address, it's important to verify that the change has taken effect. You can repeat the steps we discussed earlier to find your IP address to and ensure it's indeed changed. Additionally, you can use online tools to or visit websites that display your IP address to confirm your change. As an example, you can simply go and open the browser again, whatever preferred browser, go to your search engine and simply type what's my IP address again and make sure it changes. So of course you can copy the current one and paste this in a notepad. As an example, you can open a notepad and simply paste your IP address here. As an example, it's going to be this one. And simply you can go once you choose the VPN and paste the second one here and see if there's any difference. Or you can simply and go and open settings again. Of course, you can click on Windows I and go then to networks and internet, go to advanced network settings, then simply click hardware and connection or connection properties. And here you'll be able to see your IP address, IPv4 address and IPv6 address again. So make sure to go and check if they change or not. Of course, if you don't want to, as an example, install any VPN, there is even some extensions that can allow you to use VPN. As an example, I'm using one here. As you can see, free VPN ZenMates. As you can see, it's the best VPN. Of course, this best VPN is just a name, so don't trust that. And of course, that will have just three countries for free, and other countries you will have to pay. As an example, if you want to, there is also like Proton VPN and a lot of VPNs that is known. So you can do your own research about this VPN or for the best VPNs providers. Or softwares, you can do your own research. You'll find a lot of YouTube videos about that. You can go and search for that. So if you reach this point of this video, congratulations. You know how to find your IP address and change it in 2023, of course. Remember, your IP address is a crucial element of your online presence, and being able to change it can provide various benefits. Of course, whether you want to enhance your privacy access, restricted content, or troubleshoot network issues, knowing how to find your IP address and change it gives you more control over your online activities. So if you like this video, leave down below a thumbs up in this video and make sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a comment down below if you have any issues or concerns. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.